This one's going to be a real quick video as we're simply going to just be importing the mesh for our door key, which is going to be used as an inventory item to control the opening and closing of locked doors. Well, the locking and unlocking of them, sorry. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to navigate to our meshes folder, and you're going to right click, create a new folder, call it door key. Inside of that, you're going to right click, create a new folder, call it textures, and here's where you're going to import all the textures. Now, in the description, you will have downloaded a zip, and if you extract it, you will have this folder called door key, which contains the mesh and the textures. So the textures, you can just highlight them all and drag them into your textures folder, and then come back to your door key at the directory for it, right click, and import it. Well, actually, just click and drag it right on in. Make sure auto generate collision is unchecked and press import, and you will see the three materials. Now this already has just a simple box for its collision mesh. So the only thing we need to do is set up our materials. So I'm going to start with the key ring. Right, delete the param. A little easier to set it up in a new window. Go to our textures, and you'll see all these for the key ring. The only thing we do not need is the height. Well, actually, I'm going to go ahead and delete the heights right now. Those will not be included in the download. So select all your keyring stuff like so, and drag them in. Now start to go ahead and organize them. Let's see. So this is the base. This is the metallic. No, that's the roughness. That's the metallic, and there's the normal. So the base color, we're going to drag the RGB to base color. For metallic, same thing. For roughness, again, same thing. And normal, same thing. Just like so. And just press apply. And save it. Now I'm going to open view the key and just make sure that looks right. I hate the sensitivity on this. And that does. All right, so we have our key ring done. Now let's do the key rod, which is the centerpiece. So we're going to again drag the textures for the key rod out. So key rod to the last key rod and drag. All right, again, base color to base color, metallic to metallic, normal to normal, and roughness to roughness. Apply and save. And then the key tip. So key tip to key tip. Which one's this? Okay, that's the base color at the top. Just what we want. Just gonna drag them down a bit. So base color to base color, metallic to metallic, normal to normal, roughness to roughness. And apply. And save. Alright, now if we look at our door key mesh, I know I did a bad job, but you can see it here. We have our copper slash, yeah, actually I think it is a copper material for the handle and the rod, which I probably should have just used the same material for. And then the brushed aluminum with some scratches overlaid for the key tip for a little bit of a warn. I'm not an artist and I did not care enough to spend a lot of time on this, as you can tell. But yeah, there we there we go. We have our key. And in the next video, we will work on giving this some actual functionality. And I will see you then.